Here is how you can update Google password on the iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it works, and if you're new to Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So there's a difference between changing the password you use to sign in to Google services, and there are also passwords stored in the Google account for other services, but I'm going to show you both things. So if you have your phone where you have your Google login info stored on the iPhone, most likely through this passwords app, right? So go there or find it on your phone like this. You'll have to tap on it and likely scan your face to get inside like this, right? Or even type in a code if it's not as successful. But the point is that you can get in here and see all of the stored data, so Wi-Fi codes, passkeys, and so on. But most likely, if you go to the all, you'll be able to see so many different things, right? And I have the Google account right there, right? So I can tap on it and see the password and all of the things, right? This is just a sample account, right? Because of course, if I click on it, it just says password. It's not actually my password, but you can see that you can change it like that, and you can change it to be something else, right? So that's like the whole point. You can click on edit and actually change the password if you mean it in this sense. Right. So as I say, this is just a sample thing, page in there. It's even telling me that the password is weak. But the point is, as I say, if you have it like this, that your Google account is stored in there, you can find it and change the password as such. On the other hand, if you mean your Google account that stores passwords for other services, you can find them when you go to the Google Chrome. So that is the web browser made by Google like this. You can get inside as usual, right? So let's say I'm going to get inside of the page, Google, and in the bottom right corner, we have 3 dots for more options. So this is what I click on. I can scroll through these buttons to find settings like this, and I can proceed to the passwords manager. And in there, again, I'm supposed to scan my face like this, and I have all of the passwords stored in here. So these are those which I currently have, those which I never stored, and obviously I can get inside and actually change it to something else, update it, create a new one, or delete it as such. So that's like the whole point behind it. You can add a new one, and that's how you can update your passwords stored in your Google account. So that's all I really wanted to explain in this video. Let me know if that was the thing you were looking for. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.